السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 16 from Madani Qaida. Today we will learn Tarqeeq. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson we will learn what is Tarqeeq. When do we pronounce alif in a thin tone? In this lesson we will learn how we pronounce alif in a thin tone with examples. What is Tarqeeq? The meaning of Tarqeeq is to pronounce the letter in a thin tone. I repeat, what is Tarqeeq? The meaning of Tarqeeq is to pronounce the letter in a thin tone. How we pronounce a letter in thin tone, we will learn in this lesson with example. When do we pronounce letter alif in a thin tone? Alif will be pronounced in a thin tone if it comes after a letter which is pronounced in a thin tone as well. I repeat, when do we pronounce letter alif in a thin tone? Letter alif will be pronounced in a thin tone if it comes after a letter which is pronounced in a thin tone as well. Let's see the example of some Arabic letters with sound has thin tone, or we pronounce in Arabic these letters in thin tone. Ta, kaf, mim, fa. There are some letters from Arabic, they have thin sound or thin tone. When alif comes after these letters, then alif will be pronounced in a thin tone as well. Let's see the example of alif pronounced in a thin tone. Here ta is thin tone, thin voice. Kaf is pronounced in thin tone or thin voice. Mim has thin voice, thin tone, and fa has also thin voice or thin tone. Therefore, alif comes after these thin letters, then alif will be pronounced in a thin tone as well. Let's learn with example. Let's learn with expelling. Ta, alif zabar ta. Kaf, alif zabar ka. Mim, alif zabar ma. Fa, alif zabar fa. In all four examples, alif will be pronounced in a thin tone. Thanks for watching. Inshallah, in coming videos we will learn more examples of we pronounce alif in thin tone. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.